If you're evaluating shop management software, chances are you've come across Fullbay, Tekmetric, and Shopmonkey. While these platforms may appear in the same search results, they're best suited for very different types of shops. In this video, we'll compare what each platform does, how they differ, and which types of repair operations they're best suited for in 2026. This episode is sponsored by Fullbay, but as always, we'll keep the comparison fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. Fullbay, built for heavy-duty shops and fleets. Fullbay is purpose-built for heavy-duty repair environments, and that shows up clearly in inspection workflows, technician productivity tracking, and billing accuracy. In both our analyst research and real shop owner discussions, Fullbay is often described as feature-rich and operationally structured. Shops that rely heavily on inspections to drive work, from defect discovery to compliance checks to PM-based repairs, tend to benefit from how tightly Fullbay links inspections to work orders, to labor, to invoicing. Several users report that after implementing Fullbay, they uncovered previously unbilled technician time and labor leakage that they didn't realize was happening. In some cases, shops were able to bill a lot more once inspection findings and time tracking were enforced. That said, no platform is perfect for everyone. Some shops describe Fullbay as more complex than automotive-first tools with a steeper learning curve. Smaller operations sometimes feel they're paying for capabilities designed for larger or more regulated environments. And navigation speed is a critique in community threads. Where Fullbay tends to win is when inspections and compliance are non-negotiable, billing accuracy and labor capture directly affect profitability. The shop is planning to scale in volume, assets, or regulatory complexity. Fullbay is rarely described as the simplest system, but it's widely recognized as one of the most feature-rich platforms for heavy-duty environments, and one of the most likely to surface where revenue is leaking in day-to-day operations. Tekmetric, modern, easy-to-use auto repair shop software. Tekmetric is consistently shortlisted for its modern interface and service advisor workflows. In shop owner discussions, it's often described as intuitive, clean, and easy to adopt, especially on the front office side. Tekmetric buyers often highlight smooth customer communication and digital approvals, strong reporting and advisor-centric workflows, responsive onboarding, and account support. Those strengths are a big reason some heavy-duty shops choose Tekmetric, even when it wasn't originally designed for the heavy-duty segment. Of course, where hesitation shows up is around heavy-duty readiness. In real-world evaluations, buyers question how deeply Tekmetric supports truck-specific labor guides, inspection-driven billing, and long-term asset history. While integrations can help bridge gaps, some shops worry about long-term fit as complexity grows. Tekmetric tends to appeal most to shops that prioritize speed, usability, and customer experience, want modern reporting and advisor workflows, are willing to validate heavy-duty edge cases carefully during demos. For some heavy-duty operations, Tekmetric accelerates front office efficiency. For others, it raises questions about whether the platform grows comfortably with inspection and complexity. Shopmonkey, automotive-first simplicity with limits for heavy-duty use. Shopmonkey is often described as clean, approachable, and fast to implement. Shops moving off paper, spreadsheets, or older systems tend to appreciate how quickly they can start writing estimates, managing work orders, and invoicing customers. In buyer discussions, however, Shopmonkey is commonly characterized as automotive-first, even when evaluated for heavy-duty use. Some shops report outgrowing it as inspection depth, asset complexity, or compliance needs increase. Others cite gaps in heavy-duty specific workflows and integrations. That doesn't make Shopmonkey a poor platform, it just defines where it fits best. Shopmonkey tends to work well for smaller or mid-sized shops, teams prioritizing ease of use over deep inspection logic, operations where heavy-duty work is limited or secondary. For inspection-heavy or fleet-centric environments, many buyers continue evaluating more specialized tools. Analyst takeaway: Fullbay versus Tekmetric versus Shopmonkey. From an analyst perspective, this comparison comes down to what you work on and how you like working, not which platform has the longest feature list. Consider Fullbay if you service trucks, trailers, buses, or fleet vehicles. Inspections, defects, and repairs must stay tightly linked. Compliance, audit readiness, and asset history matter. Preventative maintenance is driven by usage, not guesswork. Consider Tekmetric if you run a growth-oriented automotive or mixed repair shop. Customer experience and reporting are top priorities. You want strong advisor-focused workflows and insights. Consider Shopmonkey if you want a flexible, easy-to-adopt shop system. Your shop is smaller or mid-size. You value speed, simplicity, and configurability. The best way to pressure test this decision is to run real scenarios during demos. Schedule a demo with all three providers or sign up for SelectHub's software selection platform in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.